Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to put you out of your misery, and it's time to put out an update. Temperature has turned, so we can really come up here and start doing some serious work. Now, trouble is, we can give you an update to where the layout's at in a minute, but the trouble is, we've had an epiphany. And instead of putting too much focus on how this layout is set up, we're going to go straight into the old clean up and tear down, because part of our epiphany is to start using modules so we can plan ahead for a possible move in the short future. So let me rush through this for the start, do the intro, and then go straight to a hyperlapse. And yeah, you just watch me start packing things up, clean up, and go from there. So just very quickly, noticeable changes start over here. So a lot of removals in terms of the station area. A lot of stuff dumped on this side, as you can see. Sorry about the mess. We went for a plan for a station layout and dropped it at least 2 times before it came for another one, which is this current design here. We then had a coach yard set up here, and that was almost finalized with the wiring and everything. So we got pretty far with that. And then if we go a bit further, you'll be able to see turntable developing. So under this, we can just pick it up safely. Turntable in the works. And then we go over here, go around. So this would have been a staging area. Up there, the tracks. Yeah, the tracks would come around and then continue down the layout. So, theory is now is to tear everything up past this point, probably, maybe a bit further back, maybe where that joist is. Anything before brings up, we build the modules at the back. So we have full modules and not cut off by, these kind of obstacles, should I say. So all of this needs to be brought up. This stock needs to be moved back a bit, so at least safely deposited somewhere else, and then moved to the correct position moving forward. These items need to be moved. This area needs to be completely clear before we tear down everything. So best idea, best plan is start at this end. So this corner here, you've got 2 sections of foam there, which can come up, I'd say, at that foam where the Humour is. So where I'm about to point, right there, bring those up, and then going forward, everything will be stored on that side. Everything else will come up, and then we'll start building the modules in the back. But yeah, stuff like this is pending classification. So is this stuff over there. It has been classified, so completely safe there. This stuff has to be classified as well, so that's going to go in the pile. Lots to do to get to the position we want to be in, but hopefully we'll better ideals. Main focus today is to move the tripod into a position where you can watch me move things across. And down here, as you can probably see, a bunch of empty boxes. These are empty boxes, so hopefully there'll be for that stuff here, some there, and some over there. Stuff at the back definitely does not have boxes, so that'll be the focus for today. Clearing stuff up so that we can get moving forward as quickly as possible. Plus you've got a deck of tracks there. That shouldn't be too hard just to pick up in groups and move across. So yeah, let's get this party started, shall we? After the intro, Hyperlat starts. Okay, thank you very much. Well guys, we have completed the deconstruction phase of the first few modules deconstruction phase of the area to support the first few modules, including the test modules we're going to use. So the plan is, module's going to be sitting there, that's going to stay, and then I'm going to reinstall the baseboard, a bit more support, or at least a stronger line of support for the modules, so it goes across into there. To complete this, we've removed several woods, several foam, as you've seen, lots of baseboard, some track as well, and then we've also organized the track too. This monstrosity is going to be sorted out at some point, probably during the inventory videos, or at least offline outside of the videos, so no worries about that. And as the modules progress, stuff will move across onto the modules, so we don't have to worry about it too much. But yeah, so we build probably don't need extra supports for this area here because it seems fairly solid. Let's give it a shake check. Yeah, fairly solid there. Maybe worth another pole down here somewhere. We can get to that, that's fine. But yeah, that's about it, to be honest. And then when we do the prototyping, we'll measure the weight and how troublesome it roughly is, and go from there. But yeah, after that, it goes on to this section. This section will be a lot more fun, as you can see. Some switches and obstacles that get moving to classify and put away. So that'll be fun. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Comments, criticisms, suggestions, information, anything goes. But as always, keep railroading. Thanks.